The clear focus of all APOS solutions is to enable BI teams to effectively manage their SAP BI system needs in order to meet the growing demands of their BI user community. APOS Insight provides you with the in-depth information that you need to truly understand not only how your BI system is constructed, but how it is being utilized. From impact analysis and report utilization to process monitoring and user activity, Insight puts the information that you require right at your fingertips. You can use that to optimize your SAP BI environment and infrastructure, establish complete confidence in your content, enable industry-specific regulatory compliance, and to deliver well-managed BI to your organization. A key area where BI information is critical is migration and technology adoption. It's important that only those objects that are actually being used are migrated to your new environment. There's no sense in migrating objects that haven't been touched in a long while. Knowing how reports are performing in your BI system is crucial when responding to a demanding user base. Having performance statistics available gives you a head start on any troubleshooting that may be required. Understanding report schedules can be confusing. Often there are many reports that are scheduled for the same time period. Having the ability to review any report schedules also allows you to plan any system maintenance around them. Most BI administrators have had to live through a database schema change. Aside from migration, there are few more stressful times. You need to know exactly which reports are going to be affected so that you can plan for the resources required to make any changes to the reports and universes. It's also important to know which reports in your system may contain sensitive information so that these can be reviewed and modified if required. Key to maintaining a well-managed BI system is to know which users you are serving and which report objects those users are consuming. As an administrator, you need to understand which users are actually making use of the system and when peak times of access are. Also, you need to be able to have a handle on which reports are being run most or least, and which reports are being scheduled versus being run on demand. Because APOS Insight tracks SAP BusinessObjects from outside of the system, using both statistical and functional server analysis, you can count on it to provide a consistent, reliable, and deep view of your system's health. Another integral part of a well-managed BI system is the capability of being notified when various metrics are out of tolerance. One area of monitoring that we are asked about quite often is the ability to monitor a database for specific activity. One example of this would be to receive notification when a certain value appears in a particular column. Other examples might be to receive notification if there are more than X number of records in a table, or if a query takes longer than a certain number of seconds to execute. As more organizations move to concurrent session-based licensing, it's imperative that sessions are freed up and recycled so that users are not locked out of the system. To that end, the Session Monitor service can alert you if a session has been alive longer than a certain primary threshold. Should the session be alive longer than the secondary threshold, the session can be automatically closed. Sessions can also be closed manually through the Insight console, allowing an email alert to be sent to the users with stale connections. The server status screen allows you to view all or selected BI services at a glance, where you can choose to stop, start, enable, and disable services quickly and easily. Sometimes running schedules can appear to freeze or run away, resulting in excessive run times. After receiving an alert from the Insight solution, you can view running jobs and choose to kill the ones that are causing the bottleneck. There are many other alerts that can be configured so that you can have a solid view of how your BI system is performing. APOS Insight provides a deep understanding of your BI system, allowing you to use the information it provides to make well-informed decisions regarding the usage, configuration, and behavior of your BI installation.